Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about the ART attribute, width attribute and height attribute inside the img tag. Always specify ART attribute, width attribute and height attribute for images. Always specify the attributes. Also, always specify the attributes for the images. This attribute is important. If the image for some reason cannot be displayed, the ART attribute, whatever you write inside the ART attribute is going to be displayed. Also, always define the width and height of images. This reduces flickering because the browser can reserve space for the image before loading. So, if you specify the ART attribute, this is for backup, like fallback. In case the image is nowhere to be found, I've discussed this in several videos where I discussed about the image tag. This is very important. And also the width and height attribute, the width and height value that you gave your image is to reduce this flickering because the browser can reserve space for the image before loading. It is very bad when you specify image tag without ART attribute and the width and height values. Always have that in mind. That's what I want to show you guys right now. And to the next, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.